and Melanie O'Connor. And Melanie is the owner of this company here, Dixie Max. And so I want to make sure everybody sees the website, DixieMax.com. And you want to make sure that you go there. And by the way, you have an email. Is it Melanie@DixieMax.com?
Yes.
Okay, and Melanie is Melanie. Okay, I want to explore a little bit more. We talked in the last segment about this new business and this new company that you have. And, you know, there are a lot of mothers that probably are very similar to you. They probably have a little time, you know, but they're stretching it because they're juggling, you know, kids and cooking and all the things that mothers have to do. But probably a bunch of them could use a little extra income.
Yes.
And I know that you have some plans for doing that. So tell us a little bit about that.
Yes, so with my company, we want to do an affiliate program where actually other mothers can go to our website and join and sell the products as well. And that way they can stay at home with their kids and change their life essentially as well and spend more time with their kids and bring in some extra income and sell these amazing products.
Oh, that's wonderful! I can't wait for that to see that in action. So if I'm feeling sluggish, I need to call you.
Yes.
If I'm maybe a little bit overweight, I need to call you.
Yes.
If I need extra income, I need to call you for
Yes.
sure, right?
You need me.
Yeah. Okay, I understand.
And I need you.
Okay, well that's very exciting. Well, Dennis, I know you have developed some of these great products for her, and what does it feel like just to know Melanie's story? You know, to know that it made such a dramatic difference in her life.
You know, it's really awesome to see. So when I started developing products, I wanted to change people's lives and save lives and do humanitarian work through the company. The Z-Lite's one of them. The filtration. So our filtration is, in the industry, it's the top new technology. It's honest. The filter industry is unregulated. They can tell you whatever they want.
Really?
With this filter, we know how many gallons it'll do. It can be used at home, out of your tap water. If you're traveling, it can be used for traveling. It has virus, bacteria, cryptos, chemicals. We will post some videos on her site of crazy stuff of what you can drink. But the main thing is it's grabbing them. It's ionic exchange, kind of like the Z-Lite's ionic exchange. So what it's doing is grabbing the same particles type of stuff that's in your water. So, you know, your average person's 2/3 water. Your living water cell, basically. And if you're drinking crap, garbage, poisons, and taking that in your body, well, you're not going to be healthy. Well, if you drink healthy water, you're going to make yourself healthy from the inside out. Literally, after drinking a week out of one of these bottles, you will not drink any water source except for this. It's that big of a difference.
Well, there's so many heavy metals, right? And almost
Yes.
everywhere you go around the country and all the major cities and the rural places, there's just all kinds of bad things in the water. And so this is something that you recommend that everyone should have one of these.
Absolutely. And the credentials are the labs that we ran through. We spent 2 years and millions of dollars developing this technology. The labs are BCS Labs. It's the #1 lab in the United States for water filtration. They helped us during development of it, along with when we use a membrane manufacturer to figure this out. And we actually figured out how to make it flow that a child can drink through it,
Wow.
which took a lot of time and effort to figure that out to where you could actually just drink through it. And it's just a product that we feel is going to be huge.
Yeah, it's a life changer, isn't it?
It is. It's a game changer.
Now I understand that you also have a bigger unit, which is, if you'll show that to us, and this holds 3 gallons. Did you say?
It does. It's a 3-gallon brick. It has a bigger filter on the inside. I'll take it apart and kind of. So you can dip it into any water source. I actually have it sitting next to the sink at my house, and I make my water every day. And it does about 1/2 gallon per minute. So you just fill it full of water, screw the lid on, pump air into it. There's no moving parts, so it's simple to use. And then you have a tap and you fill the jug. So I do 3 to 5 gallons a day at my house. Everything we cook with, mix with, everything goes through this system.
Everything. Now, so show us how they actually, before you put it back, show us how you would use that. So it's full of water now.
So it's full water. I filled it full of air pressure.
Okay, so you pump up the pressure.
And when there's water in it, it takes about 15-20 pumps of air. And then this is like a little spigot, and you just push this, and you can fill cups, you can fill jugs, and it's a half-gallon minutes, so it's pretty quick. You're not waiting around, and if the air pressure goes down, just pump some more air into it. It's neat to watch kids use it because they like being able to make that pumping it full of air. It's funny to watch them use
So what kind of uses do you have for this? I could see camping, for instance.
We have
Be incredible.
campers. We've went up against all the major brands on filters, which it's going to be big for the outdoor industry. The survival industry have people that are survivalists. The camping, my boy took it up with his friends. They provide water for 14 people and didn't have to sit and wait for water because you literally dip it in. You have instant water. You don't have to go through these pressure pumps, chemicals, or anything like that. We've taken water out of San Diego River, which is basically a sewer river. You'll be able to see the videos on the side of stuff that we drink. Water. We have straws also. We have a guy that's drinking out of toilets and just, crazy stuff because it's so effective. And it's not just an odor or a non-odor media. This captures flavors, odors, and it gives you a good drink of water out of any source of water, except for salt water. We're not doing salt water, but this will also do swimming pool water. It's the only one certified for swimming pool water. There's no other filter in the industry for swimming pool water.
Goodness. Now, I want to just make sure we'll be able to find that water filter on this website.
Yes.
DixieMax.com.
Correct.
What a great name.
And we'll have some other also outdoor products on there.
Uh-huh.
She's an affiliate for some of my other companies, so their Kelly Kettle will be on there. We have Wolfram Sticks. We have a whole broad of products that she'll be having on her site. It's up there right now. We are going to grow her site.
Excellent. Well, I know in the next segment, I want to talk about another part of your business, some other products that are going to be on your site, and that's going to be exciting, especially for the mothers that are like you that have an interest in sports, and not all mothers do like sports, but it'll be interesting. So I want to talk about that. But this water filter is just it's mind-boggling, and I can see there's places, especially in other parts of the world,
Yes.
where people literally are dying because of the pollutants that are in the water.
Right. And we want to set up a match type program.
Uh-huh.
So products that are bought, so many products are bought, we'll donate one to your charity foundation.
Oh, excellent. Very good. Now, I want to just sort of close this out. You have a couple of videos, and this filter really is amazing. It's kind of miraculous. But did I see one of those videos that you actually took some water from a very bad source
We even have
and cleaned it and drank it?
I even did.
You did it?
Yes.
Can you tell us a little bit about it? It's
It was so scary. He brought me to this stockyard. There's pigs and
horses and everything.
it's nasty. And he goes, "Hey, here's this extreme straw. I'm just gonna have you stick it in there and drink." And I was a little skeptical at first. I'm not gonna lie, and I made him do it first. You do it, but that
now, wait
water.
a minute. Now, just so I get this right, we're in a stockyard, and this is a water. This is what they drink out. The animals drink from
It
this.
has
There was flies in there,
bugs
and
swimming. You'll see.
the water compared was like green and just not. It was disgusting.
And you actually drank it.
Anyways, yeah.
And you lived to tell about it.
I did. It was incredible. But yeah, and it was easy to drink from too. I just stuck the filter into the
Barrel,
the
yeah.
barrel, whatever it's called, and just drank it, and it tasted great. I was
Yeah,
so
it is.
happy.
Oh my goodness, that is so amazing. So we'll be able to get that here.